here to respect the hundreds and thousands of brave freedom fighters who risked their lives to bring us this peaceful era we live in.
Independence Day is not just another day in the calendar. It is a day that signifies the struggles, sacrifices, and untiring efforts of our forefathers who fought relentlessly to free our country from the shackles of the colonial rule. On this auspicious occasion, let us renew our commitment to building a nation that stands tall on pillars of justice, equality, and progress.
Independence Day serves as a reminder that despite our differences in culture, language, and tradition, we belong to a single nation. The hallmark of our identity as Indians is a line that sums up everything that is unity in diversity.
Yeah.